Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be looking at a used Caterpillar skid steer. It's at the John Deere dealer. Don't know why, but the John Deere dealer's kind of weird around here. They sell Bobcat, Kubota, and John Deere there. And I was there yesterday morning, and there was a Case tractor sitting over in the back. This dealer's not where we're going to pick up our demos from. We're going to take most of our demos from Tractor Supply. So, that's where we're going to get most of our demos from, Tractor Supply. So, most of our demos will be from Tractor Supply. As they sell John Deere, Skag, Wright, Walker, all the major brands, Hustler, Bad Boy mowers, Kubota mowers. They got it all. Cub Cadet. Crap, I always forget to close the gate. Man. I'll be taking the tilt trailer today because it's a heavy skid steer. The first skid steer we buy ever here on the landscape series. They said, I told them to let me know when the Bobcat T75s come in and the S75 or the wheeled version of that comes in. They said sometime around middle of next week they'll be in, so. Bob is here. He's working on the Toro mower, changing the blades out right now, so I can leave the gate open. This dealer's kind of far away. It's, I'd say, probably 20 minutes away from the shop, so. Too bad there ain't one closer, but you can go through the town and everything. Hopefully there's not too many people this morning. I mean, it's 11:20 a.m. right now, so. Hopefully there's not too many people. Hopefully everyone's at work, so. Be getting some new trucks soon, guys. Upgrading to a new truck here, so that'll be cool. Oh guys, the majority of the time the videos don't come out on the day of recording. I normally record them a little bit before they come out, but sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Like if it's early Saturday morning, I'll throw together a homeowner series and post it, but sorry guys, there hasn't been very many homeowner series coming out because landscape series I like the landscape series more. It's more fun to me. Oh guys, the name of the map we're using is Lawn Oak TP. You can just go to modhub.us and search Lawn Oak TP on there. This will come up, download it. I think the file space was like 1.5 gigabytes. That was it. Cat Skidsteer is used, so it's not brand new. It's got 230 hours on it. Yeah, there's another entrance up here. Oh man, how many John Deeres they got here? It doesn't look like they have very many. Tilt the trailer back. Alright, looks like they got a Bobcat excavator. Oh, well, John Deere 1025R. This would be a good tractor for my house. Mow the lawn, do some loader work. Bobcat excavator, Kubota tractor, a T590 there, SVL, Kubota at a John Deere dealer. That's odd. Bobcat here. It's a high flow model, 863. This is what we're here for. It's Cat 289D. Ooh, this is cool. Probably 8110. Definitely would not buy one of those. We're not farming. But they don't have very much John Deere's here. Look, what? This is odd. There's a case over here. Huh, well, I like dealerships that sell everything. And we can get cat parts here at the John Deere dealer, which is nice. And here's a stander, a walker, mower, right stander. Yep, I'm here to buy that cat skid steer out there. Yep, there you go. Yep, I got a check. Do you guys take check? Oh, you do? Alright, good. Do paperwork. Alright, there you go, man. Alright, have a good day. See you next time. Alright, guys, we got that all bought. Off camera, I forgot to buy a bucket. So, come in here, buy a bucket. Crap. Sorry about that, guys. Sell the bucket real quick. $700. They said none of their skid steers here sit with buckets on them, so they just have their buckets out back. This is a big skid steer, man. Caterpillar. Nice. Oh, guys, I should have the mod link down below for this if I can find one. Sometimes I can't find links for mods. Like Chevy, I know it's public. I just can't find a mod link for it. It's on Mod Network. I know that. Oh, guys, let me know if we should buy that case tractor here, because that would be a good tractor for the shop, because I'd like to have like the mulch and gravel there so we don't have to go to supplier. Good for unloading trucks and stuff. Shop tractor. Put that down. I'm gonna pull it forward once I get the trailer tilted down here. I'll back it up a little bit more. Alright. right there. Strap right here. Alright, let's get going. It's company policy we back all of the heavy equipment up on the trailer, because if it has a door on it, then we don't, it's less money to replace the rear window than it is to replace the front door on it. Alrighty, guys. Get this back to the shop, and I think we're gonna be using it next episode. Oh, guys, I highly recommend this map. You should go download it. It's not on PC. It's only on, it's not on all platforms. It's only on PC, guys. You can get the normal version of Lawn Oak on Xbox One and PlayStation 4. Google Stadia, I think. You can get it on there. You just can't get it on, you can't get this version on there. I'll put the link for this version down below. Always miss the turn, guys. Alright. I'm gonna be getting a new truck here soon, guys. Recommend me some good trucks down below in the comment section. Well, guys, if Lawn Oak did not have the subdivisions on here, like the edited version, I would not be using this map if it didn't have that. Lawn Oak is what started my channel, the normal version. I did a lot of snow plowing on here. I actually still have the very first world I played on when I started the channel. I still have it. It's save game 20. You know what? We'll just hit the next exit. Dump right there. I don't play on it very much. My first Lawn Oak world that started my channel. I did another video on it. It was where I used the red Ford F800 flatbed. I did a video on it. That wasn't that long ago. Oh my god. Really? Oh my goodness gracious. Alrighty, guys, first piece of heavy equipment we've ever bought here. I'm excited to get to doing jobs with this. Oh, I think Bob left, so. Yep, he did. He got it all loaded back up on the trailer. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Alright, bye guys. Peace.